No photos available on iPhone and iPad. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will teach you how to fix no photos available in Widget's photos. Let's get started without wasting any time. To fix this issue, go to Settings menu on your iOS device, then tap on your Apple ID. Now swipe down and tap on iCloud, then tap on Photos. Here, turn on Sync this iPhone. If it's already on, turn it off, wait for few seconds, then turn it back on. If this method doesn't work, then try the next method. Go to Settings, swipe down to see Photos and tap on it. Here, swipe down and turn on Shared Album. Then turn on Show Hidden Album. Click on Mobile Data and turn on Mobile Data. Now go back to the Widgets menu and see if your photos are showing or not. That's it. Like and share this video before you go. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.